or the Annunciation can give us three very important movements. The first movement is angel announcing to Mary, and that's the movement of grace. The second is the message of the angel to Mary, and that is the movement of conception, the message of new life. And the third movement is the response of Mary, and that is the response of commitment. Para dali ra nato masabtan, ako lang i-simplify. The first movement is about favor. Ningon ang anghel kang Mary, Mary, you have found favor with God. So, favor. And then, ingon na po ang angel, you will conceive. Ang imong igagaw si Elizabeth, who was barren, will also conceive mga anak. So, usually we associate conception with fruitfulness. Kay kung barren gali, way bunga. Mawala nga, bulahan ang bunga sa imong tiyan nga si Jesus. So, fruitfulness. Ug ang third, I am the handmaid of the Lord, be it done to me according to your word. That is the expression of faith. So, favor, fruit, and faith. Mga igsuon, na ako giandam nga wali unta nga mas inguntang pamalandungong theological ni Albas Father Jasper, diri theologian ra ba na siya, professor. Pero tungod di udet, ako na lang giusab. Favor. Abi na to mapadpad na ta, abi na to upat ni kapari sa Banawa Hills pag-abot sa Typhoon Odette. Uyog man, grabe susukuan kayo. Nanago namin ito sa kuan na finally ato na tas toilet kaya this why no glasses and everything. And then it calmed down and it said, we are still alive. Favor. And I'm sure since December 16, after the typhoon, despite what happened, I think, or I'm sure you have experienced God's continuing favor. The favor of grace, the favor of hope, the favor of others helping each other. Second is the fruit. Without your knowing it, since the start of the typhoon, many of our brothers and sisters are working overtime to restore energy in Cebu. Good news, naatay partial power gahapon, and maybe we can, in the coming days, kung padayon lang yun sila, the fruit of their labor will benefit us. Grabe. Third, faith. As I was coming down from Banawa, daghan gyapong nagsaka manimba. Your coming here karong buntag is an expression of faith. In the first reading sa prophet Isaiah, giingon din ni, I will give you a sign. And the sign is a virgin shall conceive and bear a son. Kining atong Pasko, I think we are given in this in the midst of this typhoon, truly we are given a sign of God's favor, a sign of God's fruit, and a sign of God's faith. Ang kining sign mao si Jesus. Jesus is the sign of God's favor. Jesus is the fullness of God's grace of salvation. Si Jesus ang personal nga grasya sa Ginoo. Sa ingon ni Benedict XVI, being a Christian is not a result of an ethical choice or a lofty idea, but a result of an encounter with a person, an encounter with an event that gives life a new horizon and a decisive direction. In Jesus, in the person of Jesus, we encounter God's grace. Wala na daghang mga abstract. Person, pagkatao, ang sign sa God's grace. The fullness of God's grace. December 17, human sa typhoon, daghan na kay nag-atang sa gate sa Banawa Jesuit Retreat House kay mangayog tubig. Akong ingnan, sige, ipagawas ang pasudla, magkuhag tubig. Akong gitaw na among water tank, kay bago ba ng retreat house, salamat ni Tatay Dodong na idayan, ang Ways of Love, doon na po'y nakatabang dito sa atong bagong retreat house. Pangadto niya mo ha, nindot kayo mong retreat house. Akong gitaw na among water tank, pagkabuntag, 300 cubic meter ang level. Ko okay pa. Buntag ni December 17, human sa 16 matos gabi ang typhoon, padayon ang generator, ningon sa among electrician, basig mahutan tag generator, ko sige lang, unsa ba, nakakonect ba ng generator sa pump? Wala pa, Father. Okay, palit lang krudo. Hangtod pagka 10:30 sa gabi, padayon og kuhag tubig ang mga tao, container sa galon sa gawas. Pagka 11 o'clock, gi-close ang gate. Pagtan-aw na ako ngadto sa water tank, believe it or not, the same 300 cubic meter. So ako giinan ang electrician. So nakonect yun na yung generator sa pump. Siya, wala pag yun, Father, kay di man kailangan ko ng katihan para makasaka ang tubig. That night, my brothers and sisters, hayag kay buwan. Itanaw ko sa buwan, Lord, thank you, Lord. You have not abandoned your people. Kinahanglan yung tubig after the typhoon. No more theological explanation, Lord. You are the sign of God's grace, of God's favor, and God's faith. Muti akong pinaka-encounter mga igsoon sa sign of God's presence in our midst. Gahapon, ako yung security guard, na pagyapoy mangayog tubig, gamay na lang, Father. Kaya maganak po undanga, basta pila ka galon inyong kuhaog tubig. Finally, karong buntag, moabot na gyud ang plumber para makonect na gyud sa generator ang among pump. Akong kitanaw ang water level ganiha, pagpadung dinhi, niabot na sa 200. Katunga na. Ko bisan paghapog hatag og tubig, kinahanglan ang tubig. Ingon taon tong balay nga napalid sa dalan, Father, bahala nagway suga, Father, basta naalay tubig kay na ako gipasuso nga anak. Kinahanglan nga di may ma-dehydrate. Mo din na Ginoo nga God uses water as a symbol of life. Water of life. So mga igsoon sa atong pag-andam sa pagkatao sa atong Ginoo, Christmas, the sign of God's favor, the sign of God's fruitfulness, the sign of God's faith. Mao po na atong pangayoon mga igsoon nga kitang tanan, we give favor to each other. Ay di ta mataranta. Any act of goodness and kindness, mupabor ba? Di kay mag-iniyahay. In this time of crisis, we are called to give favor to each other. In this time of crisis, we need to be fruitful in our collaboration, in our assistance to one another. In this crisis, we need to strengthen our faith like Mary. We are servants of the Lord. Whatever happens, Lord, success or failure, be it done unto me according to your word.